Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what YFI is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, I haven't posted in a while because what I posted before, it was in play, and we sure did. We hit last week objective 3. Now we're having a pullback, which is fine. So let's take a look. So this is a very new coin. I'm not too much of a fan of newer coins, but it is what it is. People requested it. I'm here to help them out. So I'm using the fibs from the high of September 7 of 2020 to the low of November 2nd of 2020, and I'm using some extensions from December 21st of 2020 to January 4th of 2021 to the low of January 18 of 2021. So that's how I'm coming up with all these fibs, right? And I mentioned support was going to be at 45 because by the time being when I did the last video here, objective, so we hit 54 grand. So looking at this, last week was bullish. Now we're having some sort of little bearish candle here. This will get very bearish if we close 50% of this swing. So let's just see, where would that be? Use the there. There. We'll take this fibs off in just a second, but if we close below 40,000, we're going to say that this is bearish. So let's look at this on the daily. Sorry, I thought we were looking at the daily for some reason. So I was just like, I'm using this low to this high. So that was on the weekly. I'm coming up with that level because I'm using, typically if it retraces more than 50%, and then we're out. So 50, basically 40,098. So if we close up below that, and then I'm going to say this is kind of bearish, and we're more likely going to move to 30 grand. Now, let's go back to the daily chart, guys. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that help me, basically train me, always said, make sure you help somebody. Here I am with the YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the planet how to make shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, let's take this fibs off here to kind of clean it up a little bit more. So as I mentioned, if we break below 40,000, and then I think that next level will be 30,000 or so. We reach objective 3, and sorry about that, that will be my lovely Great Dane. Guys, she's just a handful. RSI kind of reset here, which is good, because I was starting to get a little bit overbought here, which is fine. So this 3 candles here, this is an evening star. So it usually, if there's an evening star, it kind of tells us that we're going to pull back, which we have. The 20-day moving average is catching up, so I think we're going to have a lot of support at the 36. As long as we hold about 36, we will be fine in the 40,000 big level. We might have a spike to 36 and bounce back, but we're just gonna have to watch this very closely here. Zooming out even further, let's just take this off for now. So if we're gonna have a turnaround, objective 1 will still be 47, objective 2 will be 54, and objective 3 will be 67. So we're just gonna have to support. We're gonna take this off. Yeah, there you go. That looks a lot better. Support, like I said, is going to be at the 40,000 level, and then that will be the biggest support. The next big support will be 36.8, and if it were to break lower than that, and then I'm going to say 25. So we just have to be watching that very careful. Let's go back to the weekly again. So I mean, like I said, the week just barely started, so we still have 6 days to go. On the weekly chart, the main thing is we have to hold 40,000. So on the daily, we can break below and hold 36 and go right back up, but if we close below the weekly chart, and then we might be in trouble. By the way, guys, you guys requested it, we deliver it. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, that's where you need to be. We created a live version, which is just technical analysis. We created a pro version, which not only is technical analysis, but we're going to be posting the setups as they happen. And at the same time, if you need help with anything, we'll be there for you, holding your hand at all times, and we'll post our setups as we go in and out of trade. So go and check it out, Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro, and go and check out my personal Instagram and follow forexcapital.ca. So if we look at the weekly chart, guys, the monthly chart, I mean, the monthly chart is bullish. I mean, if we can close above 47 grand, it will definitely be very bullish. I mean, it looks alright right now, so we just have to keep that in mind. And let's just go back to the daily chart. So we're kind of creating a hanging man, basically, doji. So we're kind of having a little bit of indecision right now, so we just have to kind of be watching this very closely if you're trading this. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.